Jump marathon. Here we go. Year 4. Woo! I cased it. Oh, that time I got it today, but I didn't. I'm here instead. Whee! That's kind of a flopper. Wow. Ow. So yeah, I'm doing the jump marathon again this year. Last year, and obviously the biggest issue for me is leg strength, but I'm getting better. I need a new bike too. Who wants to fund my new bike? My budget is $25,000. Yeah, right. Exemplifying my jump marathon. And is that supposed to be a feature? Okay, I wrote it. Last year in the jump marathon for sure. If I can't get stuff, I can't get stuff. There's a lot of new stuff out there that's popped up. Bramer. I think I've got almost everything there except for the terrain park. I think there's a tabletop on the north end I didn't get. Oh, blah, 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 blah. The 6th tabletop here at Carver Lake I did not get. Have not been able to get. So here I am, riding stuff, getting in shape, staying focused. Stay focused, stay focused. Oh, that's the longest I've made it in a long time.
Well, this year's goals are somewhat the same, clear all the tabletops. I realize that there's a lot of tabletops that are really big, and right now my focus is to get to that 300th tabletop. And this is where it started, at Carver Lake jump line. As you can see, I pretty much cleared that 6th table. Yeah. So this year we'll have a little bit of a different setup. Each area that I clean or clear, it's going to all be in order so I can keep track of when I get to my 300th table. So that's pretty much it. We're just going to go through probably Bramer twice, so on and so forth, so that we can get all the jumps, but then I'm going to come back around and make sure I keep track of when I do that 300th table, because that's going to be the pinnacle of the year. So here we go.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Woo! It takes a lot of energy. Come on, do it! Come on, do it! Come on, do it! Yeah! I got this! Yeah! Yeah! I got this! Yeah! Yeah, got that one. Got that one. Oh, wow, I got that one. I bumped it. Whoa. Not a bad feature right here. Yeah. Just keep your speed up. Here's right here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's one of the jumps. Oh! Go! Haha, yes. I'm gonna say I got that one too. I bumped it. Press your tires. Oh yeah, I got that. The first one is a doozy. But I got it. Yeah, I got it. Step down. Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. You can do it. Yeah. Oh, I think I cleared it. Wowee. Woo. 7 jumps. I'm 7 jumps away from 300 tabletops in Minnesota. Now, there's a couple that were kind of, you know, just marginal. So it might be give or take. There's one for sure that was marginal, but nevertheless, I think I can clear another 7 tabletops in Minnesota. I'm always in Wisconsin right now, just chilling out because we're in the heat wave season, of course. But yeah, I'm excited to return to areas and go to areas. There's a lot of new stuff. There's something new in Mankato. Brainerd has a new bike park, an arboretum thing that looks like it just opened up that has some jumps that I definitely want to hit sometime, but I don't know when I'll get up there. It might not be this year. Anything that was built last year or this year, I'm kind of like, well, it'll be kind of the end. I like Spirit Mountain. I'll do that toward the end. But in any case, yeah, my goal now is Paradise Bike Park. Oh, yes it is. Wow! Ha! I totally cleared those. Oh! Oh, that. Oh, yes! Yes, 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 yes! Oh, I got him! Woo! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Just barely. I'm clearing them, but... Oh! Oh, I got it! Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah, that was a piece of cake. Oh yeah, that was easy. Wow, I got it! Woo! Oh, I got them both. Oh, I think I got it. Oh yeah, I got that one too. Didn't get it. Yeah! Yeah! Yes, I can. Yes, 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 I can. Yes. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, I got all three of them. Sweet! Oh yeah! Oh, I got him! Woo! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, I think I got it. Woo! Farewell. That's the jump marathon. I don't know right now how many jumps I'm gonna do. I'm guessing 325, which is my goal. Now, to do that, I think I got that now. But I have to go back and look. There's some near misses today. I do know that there's a lot of stuff out there that I just didn't get to. I know there's a lot of stuff that I haven't been to. Obviously Detroit Lakes is up there. Localized and Afton is up there. And that new thing in Brainerd is up there. And they all have jumps, I'm sure. Where else have I never been? They're building some new stuff up in Grand Marais, and I've been to whatchamacallit, Britton Peak. And there's some jumps there that I didn't get from the jump marathon. I was only there in my pivot, so that's a while ago now. So, but then there's, you know, Bramer. I got all the jumps except for one now. There's two big tables, kicker tables at Farmstead. I was just there that I haven't gotten. I think there's, I don't know if I got everything at Brophy or not. No, there's that one really washed out table. Oh boy. I kind of want to do some of these.
As mentioned here, obviously, there's quite a few places. I made a list of about 30 jumps, almost 30 jumps that I cased at some of the places I've gotten almost all the jumps at. So that mission will continue, I think, next year, but I'll just keep track of them as I go. I won't be doing the actual jump marathon,
Just keep track.
I don't think.
The real question is, how many tables have I not gotten, I've cased in Minnesota, there's probably, I'd say there's probably 40 to 50 easily, but could be more. So are we going to be at 400? Ooh, 400 tables. Oh, I'm at the end. So long farewell.